This is your Hwagol 2024 smartwatch, and fun fact or not so fun fact, it's actually my very first smartwatch. Not because I hated smartwatches or anything, just that most smartwatches can be really expensive, so I was waiting for the perfect time to find the most affordable one that can give me just the basic features. And honestly, I can't be way more impressed by the design and quality and most of the features that this smartwatch has to offer. Right out of the box, you are getting the manual, it's hooked into a USB-A cable, and the smartwatch itself. Okay, so let's start with the obvious. It is a plastic square smartwatch, and at the right side of the watch, there is a microphone and a button. The button doesn't support the scroll feature, so you are basically using the button to turn on and turn off the smartwatch, or in other cases, you are using it to go back to the home page. At the other side, you will find a speaker grill that emits sound from this device, and it can be really loud when cranked up. At the back of the smartwatch, you'll find sensors and its 2-pin charging port, but we'll get to that in a bit. It has a black silicone band that wraps around your wrist with multiple holes for an adjustment fit to any arm size. In terms of comfort, the band is quite comfortable to wear for an extended time. It has a 1.85-inch TFT LCD screen, which is commonly seen across smaller devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers. Despite the fact it has a 240 by 280 pixel display, which is considered as a low resolution display, it still has decent image quality with an IPS wide vision, ensuring clear and sharp visuals. Using this device outside or under the sun would be such a terrible idea because this device doesn't actually have high brightness capabilities. One thing I found a bit odd about this display is the refresh rate, because when interacting with this device you can definitely tell that the refresh rate isn't as smooth. There is a bit of lag for about 1 second, and it's not like it means anything or so, but it just feels weird using it for the very first time, and obviously as time goes on you'll definitely get used to it. This smartwatch comes with tons of activities ranging from popular, athletics, bike, dance, fitness, gymnastics, and so much more. If you click on one of the sections, you can choose an activity that you want to participate in and track, which is pretty cool. So anyone who is really big on fitness and tracking the activity will really love this. And just like many other smartwatches, you have features to calculate heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and sleep. When you scroll down to the control center, you can adjust basic settings like brightness and menu styles, which you can change to adjust the way your menu section is being portrayed, and so much more. When you scroll down and click on settings, display, then watch faces, you are presented with default watch faces that are made for the watch, but it's getting a lot better. When you check the back of the box for the smartwatch, you'll find a code to scan to download the app that operates this device. Taking a look at the user interface of this application, it's really easy to understand. Below, you have the home, exercise, device, and meet tab. But for this video, we're going to focus more on the device tab. You want to make sure you check some notification. I check the call and SMS notification, and you can also check for more applications on your phone when you go into the message notification. Still on this tab, there are tons of watch faces you can implement to fit your style for the day, and if any of this doesn't work for you, you are presented with the option to use a custom wallpaper. There are also some interesting features that you may like to try out, like the car number game, the flashlight, the camera, and most importantly, the Find My Phone feature. And battery life on this device is solid. On a normal day-to-day use, it can take you about 1.5 days to take this device from a 0 to 100%. If you want to extend that time, you may probably want to turn on the low power mode. And if you're looking to get this device, there will be a link down in the description below if you want to get it. And yeah, that's my review on the 2023 Hwagol smartwatch. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.